So it's the Great Pottery Throwdown and it's the Great Pottery Lockdown. So Touch, what we're going to do is we're going to push the clay like this, yeah? Push it like this. This is the ram's head technique, yeah? Pay attention, yeah? Is that good? Yeah. Okay. So I want you to have a go now. Good boy. So this is the ram's head technique, and you can see why, Todd, because it looks a bit like a ram's head, doesn't it? You are showing off, aren't you? What is that? Is that meant to be you? So now we're going to take this and make it into little balls. Okay, and we're going to weigh it. Alright? Okay? Is that okay with you? Yes? Alright. So you now take your piece and you're going to make it into a little ball, yeah? Good boy, good boy. Good boy. Have you been paying attention? Yeah? So we're going to have a go, alright? Come on in, off you come. You've got all your tools. You've got your card, your needle tool, your sponge, your piece of leather, your wooden knife tool and another sponge. So we're set to go, alright? Yeah, they're all good, aren't they? Yeah, you've got your knife, you've got the bits, leathers, yeah, they're all six there. Yeah, that's your drip tray. Now sit, there's a good boy. So now we're going to start to throw. Is that okay? Yeah? I need to get it in the centre, Touch. Yeah, that's right, in the centre. Good boy, Todd. Yeah, make sure you haven't got S-crack. Yeah. Is that looking good, yeah? It's not a bowl yet, come on. Now you're just showing off, aren't you? Yes, it does look pretty good. Have you been sneaking up in this studio when I've not been here? Have you, Todgy? You're ashamed, aren't you? You've been teasing me all the time, haven't you? Did you enjoy your lesson? Okay. High five!